Boyle Industrial Company, Korea's leading automated chicken farming facility manufacturer. By successfully domesticating the development of upright battery poultry cage in 1995, the company has led the supply of modernized automatic cages that are unlike previous methods with improved efficiency. With 25 years of accumulated know-how, Boyle Industrial's automated facilities have helped enhance the competitiveness of the Korea's domestic chicken farm, as the company is being globally recognized for its #1 global brand power. Boyle manufactures 4 types of cages: layer, broiler, rearing pullet, and PS cages. To avoid corrosion, Boyle's cages are made with zinc wiring, the feeding containers with galvarium, and zinc-coated sheeting for the supporting bars. The floor net of the cages have different sized holes and thicknesses in consideration of the hen's characteristics, and to help avoid damaging the eggs, the layer cages are sloped. The cage doors come in sliding or hinged designs, making feeding and securing easier. The doors of the layer cages have been designed with an extended door net for more living space for the hens. The ventilation facility has been designed to automatically remove heat and gases produced within the building and supply fresh air according to the conditions on the inside. During summer months, when more ventilation is required, the tunnel system can be used, and the chimney system or ceiling system can be used for colder months. The feeding facility comes in hopper and chain types, and in the case of the broiler cages, the feeding container is installed within the cages, and feed is delivered to the feeding trays via auger. The feed trays of the boiler and the rearing pullet cages can both be adjusted for height depending on the sizes of the chickens. As for water supply, the rearing pullet cages have a nipple-type water supply system, where water is available from all directions, and the layer cages have different types of nipples, where water is supplied by drops pushing upon it. In efforts of preventing the contamination of water, the water supply system comes with filtering and even insertion points to add medicine, and especially for broiler and rearing pullet cages, the height of the water supply system can be adjusted for height. The manure drying and disposal removes ammonia and water from the droppings, helping to protect the respiratory systems of the chickens while maintaining hygienic conditions for the facility. The air duct underneath the floor net blasts compressed air so that the drying is done more with ease. As for the egg collecting facility, it consists of the egg belt, the elevator or lift, and the egg conveyor. Eggs that are collected from the floor nets of each cage is loaded onto the elevator from the egg belt, which is then transferred to the egg conveyor, and the eggs are then safely sent to the egg collecting house. The one-stop forwarding method is a system that allows for the chickens to be transferred for shipment all at once, and is a patented Boyle system. Unlike other flooring nets which remove the flooring nets of each sector one by hand, Boyle's flooring nets can be removed all at once via automation, allowing for all of the chickens to be transferred for shipment all at once. The water boiler-based heating system for the rearing pullet cages distributes hot water under the floor net via piping, which means it doesn't produce any carbon dioxide and is safer. And temperatures are ensured to be balanced throughout, even during ventilation. The breeding cages are different from other cages in that both the hen and the rooster are kept together, and as such has been accommodated for size and breeding space, and has been specially designed for the roosters to move about its territory with ease. The outstanding capabilities of upright battery cages have been verified by domestic sales of 38 million cages and are being exported to 8 countries in Asia. Boyle takes under consideration the individual needs of each chicken farm and can accommodate through customized design and construction, thereby minimizing any inconvenience and creating the most optimal environment for each farm to raise chickens. Our prompt customer service guarantees customer satisfaction. Through relentless R&D, Boyle is becoming renowned for its quality and product competitiveness. Korea's leading chicken farming facility manufacturer, Boyle Industrial Company Limited. To become the globally leading supplier of farming facilities, Boyle will spare no effort. Boyle Industrial Company Limited.